if you want to clone apps on your Samsung Galaxy A26, so first of all, let's open up our settings. Now scroll down to your security and privacy. There you are. And in your security and privacy, we gotta locate more security settings. Tap here, locate your secure folder. Great. So now let's enter our secure folder. So if you haven't set it up yet, set it up. We have a special video on that. So after you set it up, now we are to open up our secure folder from our home screen. And here you're simply to press plus. So add up any kind of application, for example, Facebook, press add, and basically that's it. Those applications in your secure folder are not the originals, are copies of the old ones, right, with their own media, which is stashed only within your secure folder. So this is the copies of our applications, and basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.